Okay, El Ranchito Market. No, 2 for $16. The one we get from Jewel was actually bigger than that, and it's like only $2.50, I think. Okay. Tingnan mo, may mga parol din sila dito. Ang cute ng parol. Yung kamatis, $1.99 per pound. Ito yan. Sa loob tayo ng Ranchito. Alright. Good morning. Magandang umaga sa Musica World Music, sa mga 18s. Binabati ko kayo dyan. Sa mga bagong subscriber, magandang umaga sa inyo o gabi. And ngayon ay Monday, mainit dito, and we are on our way para pumunta sa Blue Island. And para kunin yung aso, mag-dog sitting kami. We'll bring Lola. She's a very cute dog. Wow! So, sama kayo sa amin, okay? Sama kayo sa akin sa journey ko today. To take Lola from Blue Island, dalhin sa bahay para makapag-dog sitting for 1 week. Okay.
Your sauce, I'm trying to make the sauce. Tell us exactly the ingredients.
That's the ingredients for the salsita. Okay. So we are on our way now to Blue Island. We just left home. And what is the temp? Oh my goodness, the temperature. Ang init ngayon, guys. 84 Fahrenheit. Okay, so maganda maglakad-lakad mamayang hapon. So off ako today, kaya pwede makapag-last squats. The next town is LaGrange. Okay, and on the road pa rin tayo papunta ng Blue Island. So this, itong road na to is Ogden Avenue. Okay. What do you call that one? Like the one with the name LaGrange on?
Oh, that's the water tower.
Water tower. So makikita nyo, every town merong water tower and may pangalan siya. Yung bilog na yan, may nakapangalan na LaGrange. So water tower siya. Okay, sa stop sign tayo. Ipapan ko lang siya ng konti para makita niyo yung lugar. Oops. Tollway papunta ng Blue Island.
No, this is interstate, honey.
Oh, this is interstate.
It connects Wisconsin, Illinois, and Indiana.
Oh, okay.
So 3 states.
So, yun. So 3 states ang nagko-connect dito. Wisconsin, Illinois, and Indiana?
Yeah. So it's called interstate.
Okay. We are now in the town of Alsip.
We just exited the expressway,
Yeah.
the tollway. And this is the 127th Cicero exit.
Okay.
South side of Chicago.
Yan ang asawa ko.
Yeah, because
Explaining.
my asawa will not know how to do it.
Yeah, I'm very bad with these maps and locations. So we are now in 127th Street.
Yeah, and Cicero. Cicero's going to be the next street.
Nasa traffic light tayo. I'm looking for the water tower ng kasunod na town. So, actually nakita ko siya from the highway, yung water tower ng Alsep. But if I can see it from here, so I can take a video of that para makita nyo rin. So, ang daming traffic lights dito, which makes this pagpunta doon matagal kasi dami tayo mga traffic lights. Oh yes, it's on the right side. So here it is, another water tower for the town of Alsep. Yan, yung pulang yan. Yan yung water tower ng town na to. Nandito na tayo sa Blue Island, sa town niya. So, this is yung parang pinaka-sentro. And this is actually, itong parating na to is the Dwight Eisenhower High School. So, ito yung high school place nila dito. You can tell that one. What do you want to say, my love?
Oh, this is where I was born.
Okay.
In this town.
Okay, dito siya pinanganak. Sa Blue Island, Illinois. It's a nice town.
Absolutely.
Why not? And your dad used to work here, right?
I used to work here. I used to live here. Many years.
Many years ago.
Many years ago, and I worked in winter for many years too.
Can you tell me about Mahal regarding the place or the house of our friend Margie's house?
Well, it's a historical house.
Historical house, okay.
And this,
Okay.
see where it's White Castle. It's been here for over 60 years.
Okay. That is the White Castle.
Yeah, but they already
right side.
demolished it a couple times and rebuilt on there.
Okay. Actually, White Castle na yan. Mga mura ang pagkain dyan. Mga burgers. So,
Michael's, where I go to get my barber.
okay. Yeah. This is the Ranchito. Parang supermarket. Maliit na supermarket siya. Mexican supermarket. We'll go there. Yeah. Maraming bumibili. So, magpapark lang kami dito para makapasok sa Ranchito. We'll buy something there bago kami pumunta sa bahay ni na Margaret to pick up Lola. First time ko talaga, nung una, I know, pwede ka mag-babysit. This is the first time nung pupunta ko dito sa US, nakarinig ng dog sitting. So we're here now in Ranchito. Okay, El Ranchito Market. No, $2,463. The one we get from Jewel was actually bigger than that, and it's like only $250, I think. Tingnan mo, may mga parol din sila dito. Ang cute ng parol. Yung kamatis, $1.99 per pound. Ito yan. Sa loob tayo ng Ranchito. Oh, Ranchito. Ang mahal naman ng mango. 99 cents. So you're getting some tomato, my love. So it's $1.99 per pound. Ang lalaki na ang tomato nila. Ang pineapples, $2.99. Magkano tong banana? 58 cents. Yan yung parol, mini parol. Ito yung sa mga produce nila. Okay. Ito yung mga nuts. May pecan. May, what's this one? Prune. Meron sila yung, ano ba to? Ito yung mga nuts nila dito. See, yung sili nila. Yung sili. $8.99. No. It's $5.20. Different types of chilies. Ito naman, cherry ancho. Meron silang tamarind dito. Yung sampalok. Okay. Ito yung husk ng ang tawag nito, mais para sa paggawa ng tamales. Meron silang bungkukan, aloe vera, may singkamas din. Ayan yung singkamas nila. Magkano ba yung singkamas? Jamaica, $1.29. Yung mga beans, different types of beans. And ito yung jalapeno peppers, naka 90 per pound. Okay. May guava din sila, $3.99 per pound. Ito. Okay, yung peach. Meron silang, ang tawag nito, pomegranate. Ito yung mga cheese nila. Ito naman cheese. And the egg. Oh, meron pa din pala dito another type of chilies. Ayan.
Amazing!
Ang pangalan, Chile Guajillo Entero. Ayan. So, mahilig ang mga Mexicano sa mga sili. this one is a big chili. This is chili poblano. Ayan, 199. And ito yung, this is the chili serrano. Maano to? Maanghang to. And it's $2.49 per pound. And what you're getting, my love?
Just serranos and one jalapeno.
So, daming klaseng sili. May serrano, may poblano, may pasilya. Dami-dami. So, mamili ka na lang. Kung anong klaseng sili ang gusto mo. Tignan mo, ito another say, they call it banana pepper. Oh, itong isa naman, tingnan nyo. Ang haba-haba, oh. Ano to? Basilia pepper. Okay, that's of course yung mga bell pepper nila. May yellow, orange, green, red. May nakita ko dito. Ito yung mga herb spices nila. Okay? And this is one thing na pwede natin, you know, nakita ko sa YouTube. This is rose. You can make a tea out of it. Lagay mo lang sa bowl, sa kumutulong tubig, lagay mo itong rose. Rosa de Castilla, rose petals, rosebud petals. So, maganda tong tea. Okay? So, ito yan, mga different types of spices nila. Ito yung mole nila, mga mole. Meron silang Tabasco. Ito yung ginagamit namin sa bahay. Yan. Anghang talaga siya. Mas gusto ko siya kesa sa Tabasco. Okay? So, the most one that I really like is ito. Ito. Napaka-anghang niya. So, meron din silang Cholula. Pero mild lang kasi ito eh. May del molcajete. Ito naman yung mga salsa nila. Different types of salsa. Ito yung mga hot sauce. Different type of hot sauce. Yan. Tapos, again, yung mga pickled chilies. Yan. Actually, bumili ang asawa ko ngayon kasi gagawa siya ng yes, I'm done. We've got everything kasi gagawa siya ng salsa. Na kami sa cashier. Okay. And I found this one, napaka-helpful talaga niya. Marijuana. Mahal siya, nasa $12. But, napaka-ganda siya sa mga pain. Yan. Ito lang binili ko dito sa Ranchito. Yan lang. Marijuana. Kasi, pag masakit ang kamay mo, likod mo, napakaganda niya. Mahal pa man din. And then, I think exported from Mexico.
You want these?
Yes, please.
Mari, ¿puedes salir al frente, por favor, Mari?
Kailangan daw ng asawa ko ng chips para sa gagawin ng salsa. So, ayan. Ang ginagamit usually namin is itong El Milagro. Masarap siya. I don't know how much it is. Ay, ang mahal. $4.69. Okay. Yan. May mga chicharrones din dito. Ayan. And of course, the chips. Mga chips nila. Ito, takis. Masarap din siya. Different flavor na takis. And it is $4.49. Mahal dito. And of course, yung frozen section nila. Ayan. And again, yung mga parol. Ang cute niya. Okay. Tapos mga juice. And what they have in here, Mexican corn, $350. Okay. Bukas 4th of July kasi. Yan, yun sa mga pang snowball. Yan.